In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a freelancer project template in Monday.com from start to finish. First, open your browser and head over to your Monday.com account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the main area where you usually see your workspaces and boards. We're going to start by creating a new board using a template. So click on the highlighted option that opens the template library or template center. This is where Monday.com keeps all of its ready-made setups. In the template window, look for the option to Start with Template and click it. This tells Monday.com that instead of building a board from scratch, you want to base it on a pre-built structure. Once this opens, you'll see different categories across the top or side. Find and click on the Freelancers category. This filters the templates so you only see the ones designed specifically for freelance work and client projects. From here, you'll see a selection of freelancer-related templates. Click on the highlighted freelancer template that matches the guide, and then click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board in your account using that structure. Give it a moment to load. Once it's ready, you'll be taken directly into your new freelancer board. Now let's walk through the tasks and sections that come with this template. On the main board, you'll see a list of tasks under different groups or milestones. Start by clicking on Task 1, then Task 2, and Task 3. As you click each task, you'll see the Item Details panel open on the side, where you can adjust things like the task name, owner, due date, status, and any additional information. This is where you'll customize each task to match your actual project. You'll also notice a group labeled Milestone Planning. Click on this milestone to see how planning tasks are organized. Then continue down the list and click on Task 4, Task 5, and Task 6. These are usually part of the execution phase of your project. Below that, you'll find another group called Milestone Execution. Clicking on this helps you see how the template separates planning from doing, which makes tracking progress much easier. Next, look towards the top of the board for different views. Click on the Gantt view. This will open a timeline-style chart where you can visually see how tasks are spread across days or weeks. It's a great way to check dependencies and make sure nothing overlaps in a way that causes delays. While you're in this area, you'll also see a view represented by a currency symbol. Click on that. This view is often used for budget or financial tracking related to your project. Inside that view, click on the highlighted setting or filter option, then choose Tasks Assigned to Me. This focuses the view on only the items you're personally responsible for, making it much easier to manage your own workload. Now, head back to the top of the board views and click on Project Dashboard. This opens a high-level dashboard connected to your freelancer board. Dashboards in Monday.com let you combine charts, numbers, and summaries from your board into one place. On the dashboard, look for the button labeled Add Widget and click it. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, letting you add things like charts, number summaries, timelines, and more. In this guide, you'll see Add Widget appear again in the same area, so click Add Widget once more. From here, you can choose the type of widget you want to use to visualize your tasks, budgets, or timelines and start tailoring the dashboard to your specific freelance projects. By following these steps, you've gone from the Monday.com home screen to selecting a freelancer template, exploring your tasks and milestones, using the Gantt and budget views, and beginning to build a project dashboard that keeps everything in one place.